Good morning, people. Okay, this one's definitely on my mind, and it is on cost versus investment. Okay, so there are two types of people in the world. There are people who get ahead in life, and then there are people who get in their way. And the thing about people who get in their way is that you have a habit of always looking for the cost of things. And the people who get ahead in life look at the return on the investment, in the opportunity that is presented. When opportunities to move ahead are presented, those of you who get in your way, you sabotage it by always asking and looking for the cost. It's like the story of the unicorn with its horn stuck in a tree. It's freaking out. It's like, help me, somebody help me, my horn's stuck in the tree. Oh my God, it's gonna be too late. Somebody help me, somebody help me. And somebody comes along and you're like, whoa, 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 chill, unicorn. I got you, I'll help you out. Unicorn's like, okay, thank you. And it's wait. Can you go slow with taking the horn out? Like, oh yeah, sure, I got you. Wait. Do you have the right qualifications? You know I'm a unicorn, right? Have you been to unicorn horn removal school? Oh wait, hold on. Can I sit down while you're doing it? And wait, how long is it going to take to remove the horn? Is because if it's going to take a really long time, I don't think I can do this. I don't think. Wait. Is it going to hurt the tree? Is it gonna hurt me? Is it gonna hurt me? Are you sure? Oh wait, there's someone down there. There's another person there. He looks like he went to unicorn horn removal school. He looks like he can help me. Like, I'll get back to you. Okay, thanks, man. I'll get back to you later on. Wait. So what if you break my horn when you're removing it? Like what are you gonna compensate me with? Listen, the unicorn's the unicorn's still there with its horn stuck in the tree, and that's how some of you are, right? The way to actually get ahead in life is to start looking at the opportunities that are presented to you as a return, as investments. Start looking for the return as opposed to always asking for the cost. I remember growing up and my mom saying just like, oh, you're so expensive, so expensive. And she's Malaysian and it's a horrible accent. I should know better. And that was stuck in my head. It's not just her fault. Everybody around me, so many people were struggling. So you start looking at the cost of things. When I started looking at the investments that I was making in things, my life changed. I started getting access to so many opportunities that typically passed other people by. Some of you will be given a gift Rolls Royce, as they say, and you'll look under the hood. Like, you don't even, here's the way, something's up. Let me look under the hood of this Rolls Royce. Like, you know what's happening under the hood of a Rolls Royce. Take advantage of opportunities, even if you don't truly understand them. Do your best, but ask yourself, what is the return on that investment? All right. That's a lot of energy for first thing in the morning, y'all. I'm going to get started with my day. Have a great one. Bye.